All right, if you've ever stared at your computer every day in your affiliate marketing business not knowing what to do, then this video is for you. One of the biggest issues that people have when it comes to affiliate marketing is getting traffic to their offer. Well, we are about to solve that for you coming this Tuesday night. So I want you to pay attention to this video until the end, because if you're an affiliate marketer and you are struggling to get traffic, you're struggling on knowing what to do, you're struggling just trying to get content ideas, we are about to help you with that. So I'm going to introduce to you today what is called Traffic Maestro by the Home Business Academy. It's going to be an AI tool that's going to help you get consistent traffic on a daily basis if you are willing to do the work. So they put a post inside of the HBA app, and I'm going to read that post to you, and then I'm going to give you an opportunity to get locked in with this on this Tuesday night. Now, we normally have these meetings on Monday, but since it's Memorial Day coming up, we're going to do it Tuesday night, which would be 7 o'clock CST time, Central Time, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. And if you're struggling to get traffic, you want to get on this as soon as possible. So lock in your spot by clicking the link that's in the description. So let's go ahead on and read what Paul sent out to the group today. Now, I will be reading this out word for word, so I just want you to just follow along with me, because I really think this is going to change the game and set HBA, the Home Business Academy, apart from a lot of the other affiliate marketing programs out there. And if you have been in HBA and you're thinking about coming back in, watch this video and go ahead on and come back in now, so you'll be ready when Tuesday night gets here. Okay, he wrote, we've been slaving away building something that we think has the potential to help a lot of people, maybe even you. Imagine this: what if you don't have to watch endless training or read countless books to put a great marketing to work for your business? Okay, here's the thing is, people are tired or sick and tired of, watching training after training. They watch the training, but they never implement. And now, when I first got started in this, y'all, I was going through the training. I would watch countless training, but I wouldn't implement anything. And then I finally decided, look, I need to start implementing this stuff. But I wish I had something like this that's ready to pop off Tuesday night. Okay. What if you didn't have to guess what to do every day, or sit there stressing as you gaze at your computer wondering what you should do to get leads and grow your business? No more beating yourself up for feeling lost, confused, or overwhelmed. What if you just logged in, followed a few simple daily plans, the system did most of the heavy lifting, and your marketing was done in a short, manageable amount of time? Okay, and if you felt great about it, that's the vision behind Traffic Maestro. Okay, that's spelled wrong, but Traffic Maestro. No, this isn't a new product. This is not how HBA rolls. Instead, we just work hard to make what we already have better. That's what this is about, a massive upgrade to one of our existing products. So this next Tuesday night, we're pulling back the curtain. Yes, I said Tuesday. Usually we do this monthly guest webinars on the last Monday of the month, but since Memorial Day lands there next week, we're moving the main event to Tuesday this month only. You can invite your guests using your affiliate link, or you can just come and learn about it. If you're already in HBA, make sure you get your link out there. If you're not in HBA and you were in HBA in the past, look, come on back and lock arms with me again. Okay. And if you're looking to join HBA, click the link in the description below. So what exactly is this mystery new Traffic Maestro thingy? It is an AI-powered daily marketing system that tells you exactly what to do each day, then does most of the work for you. It's been months of research, early morning, long days, and late night, but it's finally ready. Here are the dates if you want to come. Tuesday, May 26th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Attendance is free. Don't worry about this link right here. There will be a link in the description. Okay, they're not going to be promoting this real hard because they're still working on it. Okay, and if this is something that you're remotely interested in at all, please save this information. Okay, click the link in the description, put this event on your calendar so you won't forget it. Okay, so when you click the link in the description, make sure you get the information and then whitelist my email so you won't lose out, and then bookmark the page that you're going to get access to. So all of this is going to be revealed Tuesday night. Is the perfect next step for what do I do if I don't know how to do marketing? What if I don't want to wait years to learn? And what if I don't have time to watch 52 training videos? Okay, super excited to show you guys this. So if you're looking for a way to start actually getting some results and start getting traction in your affiliate marketing business, you can use the tools inside of the Home Business Academy to do that. But not only that, you're going to be able to use this AI tool to get started. And it just, the image says, we've been cooking something else. First look, Traffic Maestro, AI-powered daily marketing system. Stop learning and start earning. It's happening this Tuesday, May 26th, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. You don't want to miss this. So if you're looking to start getting traffic or and you want to get access to Traffic Maestro, look, go ahead on, click the link in the description. I honestly believe that this is going to be a tool that's going to help a whole lot of people. And if that's not enough, let me show you some of the other tools that you're going to get inside of the Home Business Academy as well. So if I go back up here, you're going to see, let me see, get up here as fast as I can. Up under, you get the Let's Go app, the funnel builder, which you need that to in order to create funnels. But what I think is going to happen is, and this is just a thought or my opinion, what I'm thinking is going to happen is they are going to revamp the premium section. Just a thought, I'm not for sure, but hey, it just makes sense to me. And if you go over to the premium section, you see access to all of the tools that you get: Prompt Write AI, Image Generator, Smart Post, Email Alchemist. You get access to all of that. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you get access to all of these tools. And then you have all of this training down here. And when you look at this training, think about it. When people come in here and they go to looking at all of this training to get ready, pre-traffic, all of this down here they have to go through. And then they come over here to get free traffic. All of this you got to go through. Okay. Nobody wants to do all of that, and that is one of the problems with a lot of affiliate marketing programs right now, even with get paid traffic. Okay, all of this training right here, get sales and conversion, more training videos to watch. The live coaching is something you want to get access to. This is, it ought to be a requirement, but hey, you have a choice to attend or not, or watch the recordings. Okay, and then you have high valued bonus training down here, other training. But you know, like I said, who wants to really, this day and time, who wants to watch all this training? You know, it was like learn it, do it, then turn around and teach it. Well, the AI is going to be put together where you can just simply come in there, skip the learning, and start earning. So if that seemed like something that you want to do, go ahead, click the link that's in the description below to get signed up, to get started, and make sure you bookmark the page so you can be live there on Tuesday night. I'm going to do some more another video leading up to it, and I'm going to send you a reminder email as well, just so you'll know when it's going to pop off. So with that being said, click the link in the description, get signed up so you can see get the actual information. And then if you want to join HBA, there's another link in the description for you to go ahead on and join right now. With that being said, I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.